Hello guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you promote Clickbank affiliate links on your Facebook page. So let's get into the video. So once you have the product that you want to promote or the link that you want to promote from Clickbank, so you just have to, what you have to do is just have to come back to your Facebook, log into your Facebook, and here if you have a business page that's relevant to the product that you're going to promote. So what you can do, you can just go to that page. So the whatever that's your page is. For example, if I'm promoting something related to the entertainment industry, so I'll just post. What I can do, I can just go to my business page that's relevant to the product that I'm promoting. So here what you can do, you can just create a post. So so what you can do, yep. So what you can do now, so here click on create a post. So you can just create a post here, and then yep, okay. So here just mention anything about the product that you're going to share. So just mention that, and then also you can just post the link here as well, once that you just copied from Clickbank link. So you can just post that here, and then just post this and with the link. So that's one thing. Or you can also give another way of doing is, like, you can just give a description about the product that you are promoting, and the link for it, you can just post it in the comment section. You can post this and then comment it on the and post the link as a comment. So that's another way. And also you can go to other pages, other relevant pages, for example, that's relevant to your product that you're promoting. So you can choose those type of pages. For example, if I'm doing something related to entertainment, so I'll choose something like that related to entertainment. And then once you get to that page, so what you can do, you can post in that pages. So you can yep, go to similar pages, or even groups as well, like that's relevant. Groups are also a good place to promote. So you can go to Facebook groups and then post it like how I mentioned earlier. So in that ways you can share your links in Facebook. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.